Hi, I'm Chris. This is Ships and Shipping. We were down at the port this morning to see the brand new feeder BG Green arrive. I was lucky enough to bump into a man called Paul Osborne, who is the manager of BG Freight's local office in Felixstowe. Paul, this is a real turn up for the book. This is a proper green ship. It's not just painted green, it's green as well. Tell me a bit about it.
It's one of our newest vessels that we're deploying on a short sea feeder role, and this is her maiden voyage. She has all the new engines to run with the methanol, and she has a recently installed scrubber which is still undergoing some engineering work on board. Her gross tonnage is over 10,000. She has a capacity of 1,280 TEU, and that's the largest feeder vessel that we've got, and there will be more coming of this size and design.
Another three, aren't there?
Yes, indeed.
Excellent.
And they'll all be named, well, I'm not quite sure what all the names are, but this one's green, and it's called BG Green.
The interesting question is, on the green side, on the actual green side, we're talking about this ship having things, devices and equipment to collect CO2 out of the exhausts and things like that?
Yes, that's absolutely right. She's got a brand new scrubber installed to remove the emissions, to comply with the European directives on sulphur emissions, etc. So, yeah, it should be a fantastic thing to celebrate.
Right, so will she become a regular caller here?
I'm not sure that she'll be regular in Felixstowe. She's more than likely going to be deployed on the European Irish services that we have, where there's higher volumes.
Right.
But we do have other vessels that are calling Felixstowe every week.
I'm really pleased to see this, because one of the other things I wanted to just ask you about was that feeder lines historically and currently seem to really be 90%. You look at the ship and you look and say 1998, 2005. It's so good to see a line actually taking on a serious charter for a new ship.
And that's the same with our older vessels. They're dated 2016, 2017, so they're still modern vessels that are doing what they do. This one's just a bigger and better version of that, and she's coming in today for a complete discharge. She'll be empty, and then she'll be completely reloaded full with 1,011 TEU of laden cargo and some empty containers as well before she heads back to Rotterdam.
Well, we wish you well with it, Paul. Have a great time with your new ship, and I hope you see some of the others coming in here.
Lovely to meet you. I'm now about to go on board the vessel and meet the captain.
2 minutes to camera when we're finished.
Yes, by all means. Let me go and get my high visibility on.
Oh, goodness.